Hi everyone, it's Grant and Linda here. Have we got some exciting news for you?
Yes, we all know about Red Arc. Red Arc are the people that make all the great electronic gear that goes in your vans and your campers and your cars. Well, they've fitted something new to our camper. We're one of the very first few to have it done. It's called a Total Vehicle Management System.
Alrighty, let me show you what it looks like. Come and have a look.
Come on, let's go.
Here we are in the camper and we're having a look at the TVMS display. Soft touch buttons are located to the right hand side and left hand side of the unit, and screen navigation is simple simply by using the left and right arrow and also the page up and page down key. What we're currently looking at is what is referred to as the home screen. So it's showing things like battery levels and water information, water levels. And to the right hand side I can easily activate lights by switching them on and off using these buttons to the side. So anything that's illuminated is currently switched on, a flick of the button and it's switched off. So that's easy enough to do, and that's how basically all the buttons work in the system. I can also turn on outside lights as well from inside the camper, and I can also turn things on like our water pump and other 12-volt outlets. Further down the screen I've got other options such as our stereo that I can switch on and off, and I can also switch on our hot water service and our heater. Scrolling sideways, that takes us on to the information that would normally be displayed on our BMS. And I can see with the current selection that has been made with lights, etc., that I'm just using just over 2 amps. So all of this information is also stored on a smartphone app that you can activate and control all of your electronics. So the system is highly flexible and can be designed for individual applications. So that's the display inside the camper. Grant's now going to show you up front where the smarts are kept for the system inside our nose cone.
Here we are around the front of our camper, and what I want to do is show you where our control box has been located in the case of our camper. So come in and have a closer look. Now there's a couple of components that you will see that you would be familiar with. There's the 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter, and then up here is the BMS, the Manager 30, but the new kit on the block is this distribution and fuse box. Now it's a solid box, and you can see there's a range of fuses across here. These fuses represent a circuit within our camper for all our components. The cable and wiring down lower is a variety of different types of plugs and connectors, but it tucks up really nice and neatly. So there it is. It's the distribution and fuse box for the TVMS. Well, there you go. There's a very quick look at the TVMS system from Red Arc.
And we'll be doing a full review down the track.